So this is a loop. The beads are actually fed onto the loop, which will attach the hair extension to the natural hair. So we're coming up to the last row and we're just connecting the top part that's going to continue to the front. So I want to create a soft blend throughout this hair that we've put in today. So we've finished the blend. I just want to create a stronger line at the bottom. So I'm now going to point cut into the perimeter. So we finished the haircut. The hair is now ready to be styled to go on set.